tools that you're going to need to put the dashboard on the tank bag is a soldering gun, the wrench, little piece of chalk to mark it with, and a screwdriver to finish up the inside of the plate. And the Allen wrench is included when you purchase the unit. Today we're going to show you how to put the dashboard on a tank bag and make it into a communication system. So this is my tank bag here, and I'll do a quick overview on it so you know what we're doing. This is the dashboard. I have my iPhone 6 in a regular iPhone life-proof cradle, and I've bolted it onto the dashboard. And the dashboard rotates 60 degrees, and it has little clickers to click into. You have your electrical cables on the side, and you can connect everything up. I'm charging it right now. This is my radar detector alert. This is my heated liner thermostat. This is where I plug in my heated liner, and this is my power cable to the battery. Inside the bag is my control box, and I've added a 4-point plug USB port so I can charge things on the fly. The inside is a little bit complicated because I have a lot of things hooked up to it, but these are all the electrics: radar detector, cable, and phone charging system, and heated vest thermostat controller, and all of the electrics that go with that. So this is the dashboard parts. You have a base plate that goes in the lid of the tank bag, and then you have the base plate that bolts onto that, and then the dashboard screws and clicks onto that. So we're going to show you how to put that on right now. This is a standard 13-liter 3-point tank bag, and it has power portals on the side here so you can run cables in through the side, in the front and the rear of the bag. So we're going to remove the map case, and your instructions come with a template. Mine's made out of cardboard because I use it a lot. But you go ahead and set the template on top of the tank bag and try to get it centered as best you can. And then take a piece of chalk and mark the holes.
You can see the lid.
So here's the two holes. We're going to put the base plate in after we go ahead and open up those holes with a soldering iron. So we open up the lid, and we're going to open up these holes with the soldering gun. So now we take the base plate, stick it into the top of the tank bag, and then the threads pop up through the holes just like that. Now we're going to take our top of our insert here and put it like that so it's totally inside the top mesh compartment of the tank bag. Now we're going to put the map case back on. And we're going to line it up just in front of the threads, which is going to fit right into this part here. So we put it on. You can see how it lines up right with that. Then we're going to center it. Throw a couple of washers on there. We have our acorn nuts. And it's going to pretty much look like this. We're going to tighten it down. Now we're going to finish it up by putting the dashboard on the base plate, and you can just slide it on over there and find one of the holes that it clicks into and set it down like that. Take your Allen screws and your washer, get it started. And the other one, one of the things I want to note on this is if you tighten this screw down all the way, the rotation feature will not work. And that in itself is a feature. Now I tightened it down. I'm going to back it off just a little bit. Go back to the other side here and finish tightening it down. And I'm going to back that off just a little bit. And the reason I'm doing that is because if you tighten it down all the way, it will not rotate as easily. So once you get it in position of where you want it, then go ahead and tighten those screws down.